And here you see my FloridaPrince. I have it in a 15-gallon pot. I think the roots are already in the ground. That's why this year produced that much fruit. And I think they're ready. I'm gonna try some right now. Let me see that one. I like that one. This is the FloridaPrince Peach. Let's see. Let me try it. So it's not as juicy as I thought. It's almost ready. What I like about them is that they produce very early. Today is the 15th of May and I already have fruit ready to go. And they are low chill variety. And I like the flavor of it. The other varieties, they're still very small, so they usually start producing after June, like June 15. So this one starts at least a month earlier. And that's what I like about them. I hope you like the video. If you do, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel or follow me on my Facebook page, because I will be uploading more videos like this of fruit trees in my backyard. Thank you for watching.